3 behavioral signs that could be affecting your child's school performance. 1, lack of focus or attention. This could be difficulty listening to others, or getting easily distracted, or just general forgetfulness. 2, impulsive tendencies, such as interrupting others or not thinking before acting. And 3, hyperactivity, such as excessive talking, fidgeting, or difficulty sitting still. If your child is showing any of these behavioral signs, that could be affecting their performance in school. Luckily, there's an all-natural, herb-based solution that's helped thousands of children gain the focus they need to perform well in school. Countless children around the globe have been going from distracted and anxious to focused and confident in just a few short weeks, thanks to Genius Drops.